In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to repost on TikTok. Make sure you are connected to internet and you are using latest version of the TikTok. Now open your TikTok app. Here we go. Select the video that you want to repost. After you select the video, on the right corner of the video you can see this your option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the option of repost. Tap on that option. Reposted. In this way you can easily repost the video of other people. Now how can you repost your own video? Go to your profile. Now you have to select your own video. On the right corner you can see 3 dots. Tap on it. Now tap on the option save video. After you have saved the video, go back. You can see this plus icon on the middle. You just have to tap on it and then just re-upload your own video. In this way you can easily repost on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, at the end make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.